Hey guys, welcome to this new video. My name is Aditya, and in this channel I talk about blockchain, Kubernetes and software engineering in general. So in this video we will be going to take a look on HLF Operator, which is a Kubernetes operator to deploy the HLF Fabric blockchain to the Kubernetes cluster. So I'll start from the features of this operator. So using this operator we can create the certificate authorities, we can create the peers, we can also create the ordering services, and it also supports creating the crypto materials without using cryptogens. So natively it supports HLF Fabric CA for creating of those certificates and public and private keys. Also it supports Istio for setting up the routing between the various components in the network. It also supports running the chain code as an external chain code in the Kubernetes. And by the way, this external chain code builder feature was released in version 2. Currently, it supports HLF Fabric version 2.3, and we are also planning to make it compatible with version 2.4. It also supports renewal of certificates, so you can directly, so just by running one command, you can renew the peer certificates. And for the order certificates, it does the half of the part, and the second part that you have to do is the channel update that you have to do in your own. So now let's discuss the basic functionalities of a Kubernetes operator, that what is exactly the role of a Kubernetes operator. So with the help of Kubernetes operator, we can create custom resources, and those resources are defined in the operator itself. So basically a user is going to create the custom resources, and those custom resources are going to create the required set of resources on the user's behalf. So in our case, we have the custom resources as peers, order, and the certificate authority, and user is going to issue a command to the operator, and then the operator is going to provision those resources. And now let's discuss about this Hyperledger Fabric operator. So when you are working with this HLF operator, you need to have two things installed on your system. So first is the kubectl command line, which is required to in order to interact with the Kubernetes cluster. And the second requirement is this kubectl HLF plugin. So basically this plugin is responsible for issuing up those commands to the custom resources, and then those resources are provisioned. And this kubectl HLF plugin uses the operator SDK internally in order to issue those commands. So these commands are issued by this kubectl plugin. So the commands that are issued by this kubectl plugin, those are sent back to the custom resources. And after that, those commands are received by the operator, and then operator take the necessary decisions like whether it is to create or make some update to the components. So those things are taken care by this HLF operator. We are also planning to add some more features to this HLF operator. And if you are looking for some more features, then feel free to create feature request onto the GitHub repository. And the GitHub repository link is mentioned on the slide as well. And you can also find that into the description box. So that's all for this video. And in the coming videos, I'm planning to have some demos of this HLF operator where we will going to create the whole blockchain network using this operator. So we will be creating those CAs, peers, order, then installing the chain code and invoking a transaction as well. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you in the next one.